Hello and welcome, it's Andy here and this is Training the Right Way, and we've got some news about CapCut. Hooray! At last, thank God for that. Basically, after 4 update versions, that's 4 update versions, and about, well, maybe half a dozen complaints from me with video of the actual issue, they finally fixed it. The problem, as you know from watching the videos on here, you'll know that there's a couple, and I made them because the thing just does not work. The cover editor was not accessible. Now, I don't know how long that was broken, because normally I use the cover editor with a already made project. So my projects are already defined, I've already set them up, and they've all got covers on them, ready to go. This problem affected new projects and projects that were made without cover. You could not access the cover editor, which was a pain in the arse. And I know that there are many people out there who had the same problem, but they have fixed it, and here we go. So, the actual version that we're on at the moment, you'll see, is 8.60 beta test 4. Because I'm in the beta test program, so obviously they will be issuing this as a proper version probably very soon. But the beta test you can opt out of if you don't want to be in it. But this is 8.6.0 and it works. So the problem before we had with a cover, so if you create a project, let's create a project here. Create a project, this is a temporary project we're going to do, and we actually need to add something into the timeline in order to get this to work. So we'll just drag this down, because then otherwise the cover editor option does not appear. Now hopefully, fingers crossed, you click on that, it will say, do you want to make a new cover? Yeah, let's select that there and edit the cover. Bam! We're in. The cover editor is here. Now what we could do, you could try a theme. Let's try that. Oh, well, that's not very good. Don't like that. What's that one? Oh. It doesn't actually change. It's not changing my picture. Why is it not doing that? I should change the picture. Anyway. Templates. It's just giving you the words. It's not giving you the actual graphics. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not. Is that another problem? Let's find one that I've used before on which one did I use? Let's have a look. News, I think it was news stories. See what one they got here. Yeah, this is one I have used before, so let's see. Oh no. So basically it's not putting in the other graphic, the other picture there. It's not bothering to do that anymore. It used to do it, but it's not doing it now. I tried this one here. So this one had a graphic of a man. It hadn't even done that. Oh yeah, there we are, there's a man. So it has done that one. That's make the change. That one. No man. No man appearing on that one. I tried this one. I've used that one. Oh, that one's got a photograph. Now, hopefully these are editable, because you can actually click on the actual box here and add in a picture, or you could design a picture if you wanted to using the AI. Basically, you would need to upload. So let's use that one there. Drag that one in. I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to actually put it into the actual background. Replace. Select from computer. You've got no choice to do that. It doesn't let you do it from the actual uploads, which is very annoying. And I drag it in. Normally you can drag it in and drop. No, you can't do that. it won't let you do that, basically. Not sure why. Right, okay, let's select one from the computer then, if I've got any. Let's find one. Let's have there we go. Let's do her. Put her in there. Now, obviously, okay, it's not going to let me do it, so you have to do it the hard way. Use the background, set background. No. Okay. That was a waste of time, wasn't it? That's the background, that's the picture. Let's remove the picture. Nope, you've got no background. Background's in this is a container. They've done it that way. So even though I've said put it from a computer, let's go back, undo that, right, undo that. Let's put that, and obviously this is now moved as well, not central. So let's do that again, just to make sure it's not me. Replace, select from computer, select my photo, let's have that one. I'm not worried about what it is. And, oh yeah, it did it that time. So first time it didn't do it, that time it did it. And that is a little bit annoying. Anyway, so that is the cover editor. Cancel, we don't really want that. Exit. We don't want that either. That's stood up. I don't know why that stood up. And of course, this project is going to be deleted shortly. So, good news for anybody that's annoyed about that. It's only taken 4 versions, but at least it works now, and it applies to all of the projects without covers, including new projects. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video, and of course don't forget, like, share, comment down below, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.